The Georgia twist is a frequently used method to get into the crossback position on aerial silks. It is simple and stylish, which makes it a popular choice when developing a routine. The first step is to get into single foot locks and then get into a front stand by turning to the side and putting one leg in the front. The back should be up against the opposite pole. For this one, I'm going to start with the left leg in front, so the left arm goes high overhead, the wrist in a flamenco grip, and twist to the right. And you'll start to see the X form on the side of the leg. When you shift forward, the X goes to the lower back. So keeping the leg straight, push yourself over and into an inverted straddle. Grab the poles and come back upright. Grab the left pole and untwist out of that cross, and then remove the foot locks to exit. You can repeat this with the right leg in front, and then the right arm would go high overhead, twist to the left, and style, and then shift forward and move that X to the lower back, keeping the legs in a straddle position. Push yourself inverted. Then hold on to both poles as you bring yourself back to an upright position. Grab both hands on the right pole and twist out of that cross, and you can tack on a front split here if you so choose. Taking the move up higher, the easiest way to get into the foot locks is a double momentum wrap and then pull up and get into the stirrups. Put the left leg in the front and the left arm goes high overhead, and you twist to the right. Make sure that the back stays in contact with that pole during the twist. And you can start to see on this one the X as it forms on the side of my leg, and then as you shift forward, it goes to the lower back. Push yourself over into an inverted straddle. And then holding on to the poles, bring yourself back upright. Both hands go on the right as you twist out of that cross. And repeating this for the right side, put the right leg in front, right arm goes high overhead, twist to the left, shift forward, getting the cross to the lower back, push yourself over into the inverted position, and grab both poles as you come back upright. And then both hands on the left side as you twist out and get out of that cross. And to remove the foot locks, you can simply point your toes and let those stirrups drop off and come down. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to post questions or comments. And please like and subscribe for more tutorials in the future.